unbox this Care Bears blind box. It is on Miniso Care Bears, and this is how 6 types. Here are the 6 types Care Bears. We got Bedtime Bear, Good Luck Bear, Harmony Bear, and Sunshine Bear, and Cheer Bear, and Grumpy Bear. I want to get Bedtime Bear, Sunshine Bear, Harmony Bear, and Cheer Bear. Okay, let's unbox. ASMR. I like Care Bears. I watch that always in my iPad. Sometimes I don't like. Okay, I'm not looking at the card. Oh, I can't get the card. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, so let's see. I always want my favorite. I don't like. Okay, here. Closing my eyes. Closing my eyes. Oh, it looks fluffy. It's not fluffy. Okay. Oh, I got my favorite. It's the Sunshine Bear. Oh, there's plastic. Wait. I got Sunshine Bear, my favorite. Yay! Oh, I like the keychain. It's heart. Oh, heart too. Cute. Did I see it right? What's this bin? Oh, I don't like. So that is how the unboxing. Did it has more? I think so. Oh, it's just a plastic. Bye!